New Bike Day. Hindi. NDB. New Day Bike Check. Yung bago ngayon, wala nang ano ba? NDB? NBD. NDB. New Day Bike Check ng Twin Tower of Vision. Let's go! Morning. Okay, we're here to do a bike check. We're here at Gangsa Bike Park, Chestnut Nature Park. We have two bikes. We have the Santa Cruz Megatower 2023. This is the V2 model. We have the Twin Towers of Vision. One is the translucent blue and the other one is the nickel orange theme. By the way, this is the new Megatower with the glove box. So, meron kayong lalagyan ng adobo, tinola, Shanghai. Yan, pwede. May laman sa loob, of course. Diyan po ang mga kahit anong gusto nyo ilagay. Ito, pwede. Joke lang. By the way, this is a 29er bike. So, it's a big bike. So, first is my bike. This is medium size, Megatower. Rear suspension is EXT Astoria V3. Front suspension is Fox 38 170mm travel. Brake set, I have Magura MT7 Pro front and rear. Okay, what else? Group set, we have the Judge thing. I'm running X01 XS wireless, X01 cranks carbon, and XX1 cassette. This is copper color including the chain. Pedals, my pedals is Mallet DH pedals. Wheel set, I have I9, Industry 9 of course, purple color, so we have purple accents. Dropper, I have Fox, Transfer, Kashima lang malakas. Cockpit of course, I have E13 handlebar, raised face stem, and dropper remote is Wolf Tooth, purple. My water bottle, Fidlock. Then my saddle is Pro Horizon Enduro. So yun po ang bike ko. Bike check. So ngayon, sa bike naman natin ang nickel. Pag-aari ni Ching Magic. Alright, so we got the nickel color. This is also 2023. Na mo. Ulit. Dadaan ka. Ulit.
Okay, charang ulit.
Ching Magic. So we also have the Megatower 2023 V2 in nickel color. So orange theme with silver colors. So yan. Ang pagmamayari ni bawal sabihin ko kanino. So this is also a medium frame. Suspension is Fox DHX2 with 400 pounds of spring. Front is Fox 36 170mm. Papalitan po yan ng Fox 38. So brakes is TRP DH Evo in silver colors with DH rotors as well. Drivetrain, we have X01 XS as well. X01, pero ito silver team also. Mine is red. By the way, running oval for the chainring. I'm also running oval, black to silver. Pedals is Deity T-Mac. Chain is X01 silver. Cassette is XX1 all slick. Okay, so we have cockpit. This is one-up component, 160mm length. Stem is Industry 9 as well. Headset is Chris King bearing. Wheel set is I9 with orange highlights. Yeah. Orange din po ang hub. Dropper is Fox. Transfers well, Kashima lang ang malakas. Saddle is Ergon Enduro. Grips is Troy-Lee. So, pareho kami ng grips is Troy-Lee. ODI, Troy-Lee grips. Feed lock for bottle. And of course, ang lalagyan na ng adobo. Meron din, syempre. Yes! So, that's it. That's all, folks. The Twin Towers!
Ayan, okay na.
Ano parang...
Pagyak-pagyak. Ayan ako, hasa na ako. Ang puta, nasira na yung 5 minutes. Yung 5 minutes challenge natin. Ay, reset.
Lana!
Okay.
Ganda.
Anong oras na?
11 o'clock ang puta. Still early ba?
Ready for what?
Kasi kayo, huwag isama mga dito para makaka kayo magra-ride. Ingat.
Parang iniwasan yung ulan na rin yung ulan.
Ingat pre.
Uulan na eh.
Di yan.
Uwi na tayo.
Di nga ako makapedal eh. Puta napapagod eh. Ingat.
Gaya nga na kami.
Ingat.
Si Jun yun eh.
Naputol tuloy yung 5 minutes challenge namin. Babalik tayo sa taas.
Pabalik kayo sa taas. June na lang kasi may rain na eh. Ingat kayo ha.
Okay.
Cut mo na lang yung nakita natin si
Ah,
Nata.
cut ko.
Wag! Dapat nga, magpakita mo na lang. Hi!
Naka-zoom ka.
Hi!
Mag sound check ka para ma-sync ko yung
Sound check.
Uy, may
Uy, sound check nga eh.
game.
2023 Santa Cruz Megatower. So this is the Twin Tower of issue.
Wait lang, 2020 ba yan?
2023.
Sabi mo 2020. Sabi mo 2020. Diyan. Tapos tayo ka lang dyan. Sabi mo, ipapalit na natin, ibabike check natin yung isang bike. Tapos gaganon ka. Tapos ililipat lang namin yung dalawang bike.
Right.
Ching! Diyan ka lang. Tandaan mo kung saan yung tig-ching ha. Unahin natin to. Huwag mo tanggalin yung...
Sige.
Huwag mo tanggalin yan.
Okay.
Huwag mo yan. Huwag mo tanggalin! Kasi yun yung pala tandaan natin.
Hindi, ito.
Yung pala tandaan natin. Hawakan mo lang. Hawakan mo lang.
Tatayo mo rin yun.
Hawakan mo to. Diretso ka na ha,
Okay.
Tiyarang!
Tadaan!
Oh,
magic!
wait lang, nagsalita ako. Wait lang, tingnan mo. Okay. Tiyarang!
Tadaan! Magic! Alright, so we got the nickel color. This is also
Pusta, Jeff.
2023. Putang ina mo.
If you're new to the channel, please like, share, Tell your friends. Tell your hot friends. Just kidding. And of course, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride. Ride on!